Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to unbox the device Redmi K30 device. So this is a phone which is the most requested review in it. A lot of subscribers are asking me to make a video on this one. And finally, friends, the Redmi K30 Pro, K30 is here. So definitely, guys, I'll be doing plenty of videos in upcoming days. Within 2-3 days, I'll be uploading plenty of videos. Lot of videos will be coming on the Redmi K30 phone. And initially, I thought whether to buy the phone or not, Redmi K30, but all of your subscribers are asking me to definitely try the Redmi K30 and compare with the other smartphones like the Realme X2 Pro device in terms of the 90Hz versus the 120Hz, and even with the other phones like Realme X2 and how is the performance and how is everything. So definitely, friends, I'll be doing display comparison and battery backup draining comparison, charging test while playing the PUBG game, and lot of other different comparison videos are going to come. And this phone is already dedicated to all my subscriber friends, because only the subscribers are asking me to buy the phone, and finally I gathered some money and I bought this device. So that's why it took little bit of longer time in buying the device Redmi K30. But meanwhile, if you're first time watching this video, and definitely you need to subscribe to my channel, guys, because I'll be posting plenty of videos on each smartphone. As you can see here, all the devices I'll be keeping with me for about 1 year, and within that 1 year I'll be telling you all the updates whatever they receive. And I'll be doing plenty of videos in terms of the proximity or OTG cable, dual Wi-Fi setup, or different tests, different features. A to Z, I will be testing all the key points about the smartphones. And don't forget to check the playlist in the description for the other smartphones as well, so where you can find very useful videos. And right now, let me get started with the unboxing the Redmi K30 device. So you can see, friends, the variant which I have ordered, the Redmi K30 8GB and 256GB variant. So I ordered the 8GB variant because it will be very easy and convenient way to compare with other smartphones, and 256GB I have choose because of I want a little bit of extra memory. So right now let me show you the exactly how the device looks and what are the contents it's available right now in the device. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends, definitely. And try to keep liking the videos, and do comment below as well your thoughts about the device and the way I make the review videos. So definitely this will boost and encourage me to buy more and more phones in the future as well. So as you can see, friends, here is a Redmi K30 device, so which is of blue color. So as you can see, friends, which is very good looking, and most of my phones are blue color phones. So because I am like, my favorite color is the blue color. So let me turn on the Redmi K30 meanwhile, and let me show you the exactly charger and cable and what amperes the charger is of. So let me try to focus on the charger. So as you can see, friends, exactly the charger volts here, 5 volts are 3 amperes. And in the box you will get with a cable as well. And let me show you the exactly case, what case we got, as a transparent or it's a covered case. Let me check with that. So we got some warranty papers, and so I think it's a transparent clear case, so which is very good thing. And right now let me get started with the Redmi K30 device. So definitely, friends, I will be doing a lot of videos in the upcoming days, and do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist as well. And see you in the next video, guys. This is just an unboxing video, and definitely in the future I'll be doing a lot of display comparison and a lot of other reviews as well on the device. So until then, stay tuned, guys. Do comment below what are the review videos you want on the Redmi K30 device. See you in the next video, guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.